Okay, picture this. It's a perfect sunny morning, the waves are gently rolling in, and I'm watching the cutest little 2-year-old sprinting across the sand. He's giggling, arms outstretched, as his fuzzy orange cat trots right behind him. Yep, you heard that right. His cat is on the beach. He's running to meet his friends, who are already hard at work with their plastic bulldozers, building the biggest sandcastle I've ever seen. And right there with them, an energetic puppy, tail wagging so fast it's almost a blur, suddenly spots a tiny crab that's just crawled out of the water. The puppy bounces and pounces, chasing the crab in silly little circles, his paws kicking up sand everywhere. At one point, he tumbles right over, gets a face full of sand, and pops up looking even goofier, making the kids burst out laughing even more. Now, the girls come over with buckets full of seashells, seaweed, and even some shiny pebbles. Suddenly, one of the kids grabs a bright red ball and tosses it down the beach. The puppy takes off like a rocket, ears flapping as the kids cheer and laugh, watching him chase after it and bring it back, tail wagging with pride. When it's time to decorate the sandcastle, the puppy joins in, digging right alongside the kids and even trying to help pat down the sand with his paws. The kids giggle as he helps by adding his own special touch, sometimes a little too enthusiastically. They start decorating the sandcastle, carefully placing each little treasure to make it look magical. I swear these kids have more creativity in their pinky fingers than I do in my whole body. When the castle is finally finished, everyone gathers around, including the puppy, who sits proudly next to their masterpiece. They join hands, forming a circle, and start singing together. Their voices mix with the sound of the ocean, and for a moment everything feels absolutely perfect. Honestly, it's these simple beach adventures, with kids, pets, and a little imagination, that turn into the memories we cherish forever. So next time you head to the beach, don't forget your bulldozers, your furry friends, and maybe even a song or two. You never know what adorable adventure is waiting right at the water's edge.